Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss what is the difference between generative AI and agentic AI. Now let's start the video. Generative AI, Gen AI, is a type of artificial intelligence focused on generating new contents like text, images, or even videos. Gen AI utilizes huge amounts of training data to understand the patterns or the structures and then generate outputs based on what they have learned. For example, ChatGPT creating a new contents. Agentic AI is a form of an artificial intelligence that uses deep learning to solve issues autonomously and make decisions based on its objectives. It operates independently of continuous human guidance and responds to changes in order to achieve specific goals. For example, self-driving cars can make real-time decisions to navigate road and reach the destinations. The difference between generative AI and agentic AI in terms of objective is generative AI is designed to produce novel content based on training data and user prompts. It is great at completing tasks such as generating images, code, text, or even composing music. Whereas the objective of an agentic AI is to focus on decision making and complete complex tasks. It has to interact with tools, environments, or other systems to achieve predefined goals without human intervention. For example, if we ask ChatGPT to write a blog, then it writes. That is generative. But if we ask an agentic AI to publish that blog, it could do everything such as log into the blog, do some changes, and then hit publish, all without any input from us. Technology used. Generative AI relies on generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformer models, example GPT or the bot, to produce new content, whereas agentic AI relies on reinforcement learning, decision trees, robotic frameworks, and sensors to perform tasks. Output. Generative AI produces typically creative content such as text, articles, images, music, designs, code, and other forms of data, whereas agentic AI gives output like decisions or an actions on problem solving to meet particular goal. Autonomy. Generative AI is reactive. It responds to our prompts but does not plan ahead or make decisions without our guidance. Whereas agentic AI is proactive. It can set sub-goals, make decisions, and adapt if something changes in its environment. A generative model can summarize articles for us, whereas agentic model could read 4 articles, analyzes them, summarize the differences, and send that report to our email. Applications. The applications of generative AI can be in the field of content creation, research, documentation, creative industries, medical research, coding, translation, marketing, product design, customer support, and so on. Whereas the application of an agentic AI can be in industry automation, project management, robotics, autonomous vehicles, cybersecurity, healthcare assistance, financial trading, investigation, and so on. Examples. The example of generative AI is ChatGPT, Gemini, DALL-E, Runway ML, and so on. Whereas the example of an agentic AI is Alexa or Google Assistant or Tesla, and so on. User interaction. Generative AI requires user input, prompt engineering to generate useful and fresh content, whereas agentic AI acts upon one. They do not require continuous user interaction. It can interact with outside environment and gather information to achieve goal in real time, as in self-driving cars. Impact. The impact of generative AI is it is great for content creation, information accessing, and it supports information technology field. Whereas the impact of an agentic AI is it is great for automation and it increases productivity by minimizing human intervention. Limitations. The limitations of generative AI can be there must have good quality of training data and it should produce correct and unbiased outputs, whereas the limitations of an agentic AI is it can be difficult to implement complex data while training. Similarly, it requires proper ethics and security to make proper decisions. Okay, this much for today. We have learned Gen AI is great to brainstorm or create, while Agentic AI is built to act, execute, and get results often without needing any help in every steps. And combining both the creativity of Gen AI and the autonomy of Agentic AI is where the real magic starts to happen. Okay, this is all for today's video. I will come with another interesting topic in the next episode. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.